cover the legal process that the government uses to take control of your property deed. And y'all read all that shit. We're going to introduce you. Well, I'm just going to talk about the foreclosure lawsuit package that had to dumb that down. It used to be the mortgage fraud, okay? But they wouldn't let me advertise that shit. They said fraud and mortgage. Well, that's exactly what they're doing. So they don't want me. Yeah, we figured that out. Okay, so we just changed it to now we have two packages. We have two bombs to stop the foreclosure process. Okay, we have a premium package, and then we have the other package. The other package addresses the 42 U.S.C. 1983, whatever. That package addresses due process violation because they use statutes and codes to attack your property in the first place, and then they drag you into administrative court, and they paid the judge, they paid the attorney, they paid all the people. Okay. Now, the premium package, the foreclosure defense package, used to be the mortgage fraud package, y'all asses, keep up. That package addresses the illegal path that the mortgage traveled after you left the signing table. For instance, in that package, you're saying there are 6 things that's missing from the lawsuit they filed. And the 6 things that's missing from that lawsuit, from the contract, you agree with the lender that those things were going to be in there. So you're already calling it ass. It's hot. It's hot. Okay, so not go all of them, but a couple of them. One of the 6 things you're saying is missing in that is that you're saying that the lender agreed to do the deal according to the GAAP accounting principles, which are the federal banking laws they're supposed to follow. Why don't they just call them that? Oh, no. Those are the real shit. The statutes are what they're shoving in our face, but they hide that over there. The federal banking laws. One of the other things you're saying is that, let me think about this, that you and the lender agreed, according to the entries or whatever, the financial, whatever, that the borrower would be repaid. Okay, because if you know anything about how this shit all starts, then y'all asses know that once you sign that shit and left the table, they stamped it, paid to the order of, and signed it without recourse, yada yada, some words underneath that. And that shit is probably still on your mortgage or on your deed. And then they process it through the Federal Reserve for electronic credits. Now, okay,